Google is introducing a new feature that lets users connect their most used apps and services directly to AI mode for easier, faster access. AI mode is a handy feature in Google Search powered by Gemini models that lets users ask questions about a specific topic without needing to open a standalone chatbot app. In January this year, Google rolled out the Personal Intelligence feature, which paved the way for connecting favorite services to the Gemini app. Now, a similar feature is coming to AI mode. According to Google's announcement, users can now securely link and interact with some of their go-to apps and services directly in AI mode on search. This way, they no longer need to open a separate app or service when planning something, as everything can be done directly within AI mode. For example, if you're planning your mom's 50th birthday party, you can ask AI mode to create a fun playlist featuring the top trending songs from each year of her life. If YouTube Music is already connected to AI mode, it will provide a list of songs that you can play directly or add to your library. In another example, you can ask AI mode to prepare a list of everything you need for a weekend barbecue and add the items to your grocery cart. If you connect Instacart, you can add the ingredients directly to your Instacart shopping cart and check out with just a few taps in the app or on the website. Google says the new feature is rolling out to users in the US this week. It remains to be seen when it will be available in other parts of the world. The company also said it is working with more partners to integrate their apps and services into AI mode.